Myself, V. Srinivas, working as an head of operations in Mech Industries, Nasik. We're basically a manufacturer of dampers, and we do take care of the CFD services for all the. And our core business is pertaining to the power projects. In fact, we're one of the leading damper manufacturer and gates for the country. As of now, we have completed around 43 plus, around 500 plus dampers have been supplied to the all the FGD projects which is happening across the country. See, one of the leading damper manufacturer and associated with all the EPC contractors of this country. That includes, Hyzdec, Thermax, MHI, and PES, Apollo Internationals, JSW, LNT, and we are one of the things, and we are the oldest supplier, and we are existing in this field from the last 44 plus years, headed by a technocrat, Mr. Sanjay R. Shah, and we have an units in units in Nasik and Igatpuri, Bombay, and we have a regional office across the globe. And we have completed a couple of overseas projects, FGD overseas projects with MHI, one in Philippines, one in Cirebon, one in Vietnam, sorry. And we are not only in the business of making the products, we do also take care of the CFD analysis, where where the power plants, any plants for that matter, any processing industries where they're having a problems pertaining to erosion, pertaining to noise level, pertaining to the high temperature, increase in the temperature, flow drop, pressure drop. All these things will be we were going to address by the CFD analysis, and we'll come to know that through the CFD analysis what exactly the problem, why it is happening so. With that, we will arrive at the solutions, and the solution will be provided to the end user for the betterment of the power plant performance, either in terms of an pressure drop or in terms of an erosion. We do suggest them with the suggestive plans, and many of the end users are benefited out of our results. And one of the service CFD analysis service provider across various segments. That includes cement, refinery, petrochemicals, power, and also we are getting into Hydel business, wherein we have made a larger valves, and soon you can see the Mechwell name in the valves industry also. So here, what happens? So we are every year we are participating in this event, and yes, it is mutual. The end users are approaching us for with their problems, and we are also suggesting them corrective plans. And after the plans, we do visit their offices, we do visit their plant. We have come across with a very good response in these events, and wherein it's a right platform, wherein we can talk about both with the end users and as well as and the users and the suppliers too. So it is a great event for all of us, to increase their business. And sounds good. The response is as of now. Today is being the first day. The response as of now, it is going good. Look forward to have many more opportunities through this event, and looking forward to it. Thank you so very much for getting us live on this. Thank you so very much.